this is an evening where we are going to announce India's Night of Inspiration. India's Night of Inspiration has come together, and there are two forces behind that. One is Inspirational Leaders of India, which is an initiative by Planman Consulting, and the other it is going to be it is a it is an initiative of Lata Rajnikant, I Am for India. So I Am for India and Inspirational Leaders Initiative of Planman have come together to form India's Night of Inspiration. India's Night of Inspiration is a platform where we intend to share the message of hope, inspiration with the masses and the people of this country. And what we intend to do is that we bring diverse entities who in their own capacity and ability are doing great work, but in smaller portions or in smaller quantity. Now all of those forces, if they come together, all of us can imagine the amount of strength all of us will get. So that is the whole idea, to create a platform which is going to be a perfect platform for diverse entities and communities, entrepreneurs, corporates, socialites, other influencing personalities to come together, and on this platform they will decide the mighty march, how we are going to undertake this journey of taking India global.